Image to text conversion service. Image to text conversion service plays an inevitable role in any job. Apart from this, conversion service is needed in educational project. So it is also helpful for students. So we can say image to text conversion service is an important outsourcing project which is required everywhere. There are many types of images such as PDF, GIF, JPG, JPEG, PNG etc. These types of images can be converted into text or Word by our efficient data conversion team. Before conversion, first we have to train every character. Then we convert in various forms. Our latest technology helps us to fulfill the different types of requirements of our valuable customers. We use latest OCR, optical character recognition, software and keyboarding or keying techniques. We try our best to provide you the best accuracy. After conversion, we provide output of conversion in various formats such as Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, binary, HTML, Microsoft Word, database etc. Remember that we provide complete confidentiality. Your data will be safe in our hands as we follow proper security system. Here you can get any type of conversion process at a reasonable price, and we always try to provide the projects on time.